Alright guys, so I just drove the Corvette down from Akron, Ohio to Naples, Florida. And I want to show you guys how well the ceramic coating, right now it's filthy, but I have C-Quartz UK 3.0 ceramic coating on it. See this bird crap, it's filthy. It's about 1,800 miles on this car in 2 days. And the whole car is coated except for the glass and the hood. The hood I just recently added. It's a carbon fiber carbon edition hood. We're gonna go wash this thing and see how well we can just spray it off and get it clean. If it gets really clean by just spraying it off, we'll test this ceramic coating. Naples, Orange Tree area, and hopefully this bird crap up here didn't bake into the paint, but you know, with the coating I doubt that it would, but we're gonna see. The hood has some spray wax on it, but that's about it, so hopefully we can go clean this thing off. The wheels are also coated, but the brake dust sticks to that pretty bad. We're gonna go clean this thing and see if we can get it pretty clean by just spraying it off. And then obviously afterwards I'm gonna clean it and detail it. So we're gonna see what just the spray off does. Alright guys, we are at the local car wash, self-wash. I'm gonna see if I can clean this thing up real well with just soap, just some spray off, soap and water. See how clean we can get this thing. Alright, I got the car all foamed up. Let's see what this does. I've never tried this before at a drive-up car wash. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it now. As you can see, it actually works pretty well. Beating up like it should. Not as well. It probably needs a hand wash, but I was actually able to just wipe it off real quick. Clean, quick wipe with a towel once over, and I actually can't believe how clean it is. It took most of the brake dust off the wheels. I believe that was the foam, because normally that stuff, brake dust normally just stays on the wheels. But they are coated, and I'm actually very happy with the outcome. I was actually able to just spray off most of the bugs on the front. Now they're gone. It was caked with bugs from my 1,800-mile road trip. I definitely recommend getting a ceramic coating, as they can definitely protect, especially on this road trip. It was perfect. I had mine done at Pure Royalty Automotive Detailing, so check them out on Facebook. Alright guys, that's going to end it for the video. We're back at home. The car cleaned up pretty well. We stopped by Detail Garage in Fort Myers, and that is Chemical Guys' shop. So I picked up a few things, and I appreciate you watching. If you know of any car meets, car things to do in Naples, Florida, comment down below and give me a heads up. Appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.